Hello dear students, hope you all are well. I think you all are enjoy your summer break. Students, today we are going to learn most important yoga, Bhujanga Asana and Udgrit Pranayam. So without delay, let's start today's Bhujanga Asana. First of all, lay down on stomach with legs together. Toes should be pointed outward. Your arms should be beside your thighs and chin should be on the mat. Keep your palms on the mat under your shoulders and your elbow close to the body. Relax your body and lower back. As you inhale, lift your head, chest and abdomen and make sure that you keep the navel on the floor. Keep your elbows a little bent and once you reach a comfortable height, look diagonally. Now exhale and slowly bend the arms, the navel, chest, shoulder and forehead to the ground and relax. Students, you hold this posture 10 to 30 seconds and repetition should be 3 to 6 times. In Sanskrit, Bhujanga means snake and asana means pose. That's why this yoga pose is referred to as the cobra pose. The benefits of Bhujanga asanas are it stimulates the digestive system and relieve constipation. It makes your spine stronger and more flexible. It improves blood circulation and energizes the heart. It decreases menstrual irregularities in women. It strengthens muscles of chest, shoulder, arms and abdomen. And it relieves your sciatica and asthma problems. A person who have fractured ribs, wrist or recently undergone abdominal surgeries such as for hernia avoid this asana and also avoid doing Bhujanga asana if you suffer from carpal tunnel syndrome. Now slowly go to Savasana for relax your body and mind for few seconds. Then you turn either right or left side and sit down in any sitting posture. So students, this way we completed first part. Now we are moved to second part, Udgrit Pranayam. So before going to start, you have to sit Padmasana, either Sukhasana, any sitting posture. Then you keep your both hand on your knee and your hands should be in Jnana Mudra. Now close your eyes and inhale deeply, and when you are going to exhale, in that time you make sound Om. So let's start. So this way we have to practice.
Udgrit pranayam is known as Omkari Jap, means chanting of Om. Udgrit pranayam is the simple breathing exercise should be practiced on a daily basis. Students, you practice these Udgrit pranayams 5 to 10 minutes daily. The benefit of Udgrit pranayams are: it calms the mind and brings stability. It relieves tension, anger, and anxiety. It cures problems related to sleep and bad dream. It controls the high blood pressure and cure it. It also cures the problems related to the nervous system. It improves your memory power. The limitations of Udgrit pranayam are: Udgrit pranayam should be practiced on an empty stomach. Having gap of 5 hours between yoga practice your meal. It's better to practice in the morning session. Anyone can practice Udgrit pranayam, including children of all age. You can practice this any time whenever you feel stress. Now slowly rub your palm and keep your both hand in your eyes and slowly open your eyes.
Students, this way we completed today's yoga session. I hope you all are enjoy it. Students, you practice this one under the supervision of your parents, and you can share your video in my number. Okay, thank you.